Let's name the picture card, then we'll say the beginning, middle, and end sound for each word. The first picture card is a picture of a hat. What's the beginning sound? What is the middle sound? Ah, ah. What is the end sound? T, t, t. Next we have duck. What's the beginning sound in duck? D, d, d. What's the middle sound in duck? What's the end sound in duck? K, k, k. Next we have a goat. What's the beginning sound? G, g. What's the middle sound? O. What's the end sound? T, t, t. The next picture is a picture of a bell. What's the beginning sound? B, b. What's the middle sound? Eh, eh. What's the end sound for bell? O. Finally, we have rope. What's the beginning sound? R. What's the middle sound? O. What's the end sound in rope? P, p, p. Great job.